Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm explaining you a second lab cycle program, which is to add the sum of first 10 integer number. So I have shown here, you can see here I have just added the first 10 integer number, and the result will be like a 55, which is in a decimal value. If I convert that decimal value into an hexadecimal value, you are going to end up with a 37, which is represented in a hexadecimal value. So instead of going in a forward addition method, I'm just doing the addition in a reverse operation. So reverse direction, in order to reduce the number of instruction in the program. If I go in a forward direction, I have to keep one more register as a counter, not as a second operand. So while going in a reverse direction, you can use both a single register as both counter and the second operand. Let's come to the program. So this is how the program looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set a register in order to hold the sum after every addition, and then I'm going to set a counter which will going to act as a second operand as well as the counter. So in the first iteration, I'm going to add both the values that has been in the R0 and R1, and going to store in the R0 itself, so that the previous result will going to add up with the next operand. Let's see how the program will going to behave. So now I'm just loading 0 to the R0, which will going to clear whatever the value that is previously stored in the R0. In the next instruction, I'm just going to move a counter value that is 10. So 0A means 10 in a decimal value. Now I'm just going to add this 0 with A and place the result again in the R0 itself. So now this is the result of the first two numbers, that is 10 plus 0. Then I'm going to decrement this counter, and the value is again the same for to which I have to add the previous result. That is, in the previous result I have got A, that A should be added with a 9. So I'll come here. Now I'll make this counter as a 9. In the next instruction, I'll check each time. I'm going to, as soon as I decrement the counter, I'll check whether it is equal to 1 or not. If it is not equal, again it will jump to a label loop and perform the next addition operation. So in the next iteration, I'm going to add A plus 9. So, and again replace that result into a sum register, which has to hold the previous result. Now A means 10 plus 9 is 19. If I convert that 19 to hexadecimal value, you are going to end up with a 13. So again I'll keep on doing this until my second operand is 1. See, as soon as it becomes 1, the result is 37 and it is equal to 1. I'm just going to come out of the loop. So now the total sum by adding the first 10 integer number will end up with a 37. This will be stored inside the stored in R0 register. So this is how you can do. You can't change the program, since the value to be added is specified inside the program, saying that it has to be like the sum has to be the of first 10 integer number. So this is the program, the smallest one. Hope you can get the result. Thank you.